always say, how can I improve the system? How can I make it more accessible to people who need it? How can I make it more fair? How can I make it more right? Those are the kinds of things that we need. We need more people in the legal profession who want to stretch the boundaries of the profession, make it better for all of us. And if you have that kind of attitude, I would hug you, I would welcome you, embrace you into the practice of law, because we need you desperately.
Thank you. My closing comment is something that was taught to me, and I say it because it's meaningful. If you want to be in the game, you got to step up to the plate. And, you know, if I leave you with nothing, it's with the hope that you will all step up to the plate, whatever your chosen career is. In order to be in the game, you've got to step up to the plate. You've got to be engaged. You've got to be involved. Because if you're not engaged and you're not involved, people will run over you, around you, and through you. See, because no one has to dance to your music. You have to make the world want to hear it. And so if they don't want to, they're not going to want to hear it unless you bring it to them. So you must engage, you must be involved. You can't sit on the sidelines. Sitting on the sidelines gets you exactly zero. Zero. So I'd like to leave you with that. If you want to be in the game, step up to the plate.
And I like to leave you with the thing, you have to build your resume. And all of you know what a resume is. And as I said earlier, ask for and receive internships, whether it's in the police department, the courtroom, etc. And then if all of you write this down today, for those of you who want to be lawyers, go to a courtroom your next day out of school. Actually go in and sit and just observe and watch what you see. And then the last thing I like to say to you, in the summer, and I tell all my students that I counsel in Maryland, take summer classes in English if you want to be a lawyer or business, or even if you're an honor roll student or you're straight A's, still take that summer class, because the more that you can get to enhance your education, the better it is to get accepted to an undergraduate school within the law school. Because again, the competition is fierce out there. You're competing against the world, actually. It's not just Americans today.
Can I just say one thing? Please, students, read, and write. Okay? Do those two things, and you will succeed in whatever your profession will be. You got to do those, because they're going to ask for that.
Thank you very much. I would just say, get good grades. Please, get good grades. I'd like to thank the panelists. I have some of my business cards here for those of you who would be interested in contacting me in the future. Feel free to do so. My husband's also a state court judge here in Cook County, in the Chambers and courtroom in the Daly Center. If any of you would like to actually take Mr. Wims up on his recommendation and come to my husband's courtroom, I can certainly make that available to you. Yes.
That would be a really good idea.
Yeah, that's excellent.
And we can get into the city council.